like Spoken Fun?
We loved it. First time, loved it.
Her first time. I brought her. It was my first time a month ago, and I absolutely loved it. Even though poetry kind of made fun of me, but it was cool.
So what's your favorite part tonight?
Tonight.
Speaking of the devil.
No, get them. That's what I'm talking.
The last guy. The last guy. I can't remember his name. The comedy.
The guy in all black, DC?
DC.
Yeah.
Look how you do.
Huh? They said he was in all black.
Oh, they said the guy I don't like. I was
No,
like,
no.
what?
Now DC definitely killed it. I enjoyed the one who you said she had been on all the different poetry.
Oh, the love.
Yeah,
the love,
with her,
the love.
like I always love getting a woman's perspective on love, learn more about it, and she definitely brings that to the table, gives you that insight that guys don't normally pick up on. So I really love that part of the show. Yeah.
Definitely. I forgot all about that. That was
Yeah.
so touching.
Yeah.
That really was touching.
And then meeting new people. That's always great too. Yeah.
So you guys be coming back?
Oh, yes.
Definitely.
I will.
Definitely.
Bringing some people from my church. I will be coming.
Oh,
Yeah.
that part.
I will be coming.
People from my church already came, so I beat you to it.
People already came with you?
A month ago, one of our guys from our young adults group came out here. His name was Lev, and he was the last
Lev Ross?
Huh? Lev, Leve.
Yeah, Ross.
I don't know his last name. I
Lev
really
Ross,
don't.
I
He
went to
just got
Casanova with him.
married.
Yes, Lev Ross! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Yeah,
Lev goes
Lev.
to your church?
Lev
That was
goes
who
to
I
my
ran
church.
track with
He
at
just
Casanova
got
Lake.
married. His
Oh
wife
my
got
gosh,
baby.
yes!
Yeah.
Having a boy.
I
And I missed
guess
it.
so.
No, he said he was doing spoken word and I didn't even, oh my god.
I just want to say this is what we do here at Spoken Funk. We bring friends together. Lev was the name?
I'm gonna come, Lev Ross. I
Lev
will
Ross
be
is going to
here.
come, and this is why.
Cal State LA, Eagles all day. Yes.
Track. She ran track with him. He knows him as goes to church.
Goes to church.
Boom, together. This is what we do here. Bam, thank you.
I'm kind of bonded to her anyway because of family. So I mean, I
You share
guess
the
I'm just.
same last name.
You should know.
Yeah, Fletcher's.
She's not my date. Let's get
Yes, not dates. We get that all the time. Are y'all
What church
together?
are you going?